The Kingfisher angling for victory as they stay firmly planted on the platform. The first team wipe is in and the arena is buzzing.
Play my guitar, drive my stick just like a car. Got his nuts all on my chin, I'm begging, please give me that cum. Let me drink it, boy, I'm thirsty, slurp it down like Coke and rum. It's the way that you move, cover my face with your juice. And I ain't playing, grab my phone, bitch, I can take the abuse.
Contestant is really cutting through the competition.
I made it drip all down my face, don't wanna waste it. He told me turn around.
They just won.
They got fucked.
I don't want that support at the beginning to be like, okay.
At the halfway point, our contestants are living up to Exclusive's slogan of Perform.
I imagine the sponsors are pleased with the results.
Spank me till I'm bruised. Wait, hold up, don't go to sleep, cause you know we
Yep, there. Oh, you got him. Oh, I'm not fast enough. I was in that gas. He actually hit it on the way out. I haven't tried it today. Oh, on you.
He says a dumb change. Dumb. Sliced up.
It's the same amount of shots to kill a light as a medium.
Yeah, but one.
Flash out! I blinded somebody. Flash out again. Anything.
Perhaps they're just a bit shy.
We've hit our first. Passing a frag.
30 seconds to go, folks.
Scotty, hope you're not feeling the pressure more than your contestants.
The Kingfisher flipped the switch and taking control.
Oh my god, they just came up on you guys.
Watch out! Up there!
I just cooked.
Enemy spotted.
The base. Oh yeah, the base. This kid's gonna win. This man has died to my mind more times than I can count. Bro, this man has died to my mind more times than I can count today.
Alright, they're in. What a kill.
Oh my god. Look me, boy. I'm cooking every single one of you goddamn cocksuckers.
I know. They're everywhere. Yeah! Yeah!